There we go. I'm putting him through hell on his birthday. There we go. Picking out pieces. It looks like Gundam parts. It makes me the happy. I can do all the work because I have no idea what I'm doing. Right? It looks like Gundam pieces. They all last piece has finally arrived.
I'm Lucifer and I have no idea what's going on.
How are you feeling?
Who, me?
Yes. This thing's so clunky looking. There are so many colors. I cry. Go ahead and explain it. What? You wanna try again?
No, it blinded me. My brain is scrambled because it's so fucking bright.
That's literally just from the power button.
It's fucking bright as fuck. Why?
It's so goddamn bright. Alright, rate it again.
I told you for aesthetic reasons, I think in the price, I think probably 8 out of 10. But for construction, space is my wiring back, airflow, I'm gonna say 6.5.
Okay. I'll explain, because I will not remember.
If you need to overclock things, which I do not suggest you do, you can go into this BIOS, go into the tweaker, and then you can go and adjust the fucking voltage to all your pieces. But like I said,
Okay. But if I wanted to, this is where I go. So I had to fight and decide which figure I'm gonna throw inside my desktop, and I've chosen Pop-Up Parade Miku, because she's adorable and she'll look good with RGB. And of course, immediately after everything is set up. No, do not, Lucifer! She has to sniff everything out. You can sit on the chair, but no, not on the desktop. Sit on the chair. Lucifer! Gotta say, big shout out to my big brother, Aniki. Thank you. Could not have done this without you. Would have probably not done this without you. So, thank you, Kaixing. You're awesome. I love you.